Processing tech.
Processing tech. All right, cool. We're trying to translate science and tech and entrepreneurship. So tell me what that means.
Sterilization of instruments used in surgery.
Sterilization of instruments used in surgery. Are you doing that by chemical or by machine?
Many processes: steam, chemical, alcoholic chemical.
How did you get into this?
Randomly, my mom worked in the hospital and it was a job available. And I applied.
And you got it. How did you get that job? What did you do? Was it your personality? What did you do to get that job?
I don't know. I tried to be a nice person, so I guess it worked.
Hey.
Maybe it was my personality.
Right? Being nice always pays, right?
Yeah, I think so.
When you were a kid, you were in high school, did you picture yourself getting into sterilization or working in the healthcare
No.
industry at all?
No.
What did you want to do?
Music. I do make music for TV, so I did do that. Yeah.
Well, tell me a little bit about that.
I make music. I create melody, jingles. Some people would know it by jingles for television.
Yeah.
You can go to DJ Prez, Music for the Internet. It's called Music for the Internet. It's music created for people to use in their reels and film and stories.
Yeah.
Reels and stuff. The music here in TV, and then I got the music on social media.
Where music and technology meet.
Big deal. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I love that. If you had one piece of advice for the younger generation, they're just getting out there, they're looking to get into industry, into tech, into music.
Never stop learning. Learn as much as you can. Learn. Don't just learn it once. Learn it 3 times until you get it in your DNA. Keep learning. You never know enough. You never know enough. Keep learning.
That's the best advice, man.